Welcome to my channel. D-Link AC3000 Smart Mesh Router Unboxing Setup High-Speed Internet Boost. First, open the box, carefully unbox the router and check all items: router unit, power adapter, Ethernet cable, quick start guide. Second, power on the router, plug in the power adapter and turn on the router. Third, connect to modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the router's WAN port to your internet modem. Fourth, wait for LEDs, let the light stabilize. Power and internet LEDs should be solid. Fifth, connect to Wi-Fi. Use the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password printed on the router label. Sixth, download D-Link Wi-Fi app, install from Play Store or App Store. Seventh, open the app, tap Set up a new device and follow on-screen instructions. Eighth, create admin password, set a secure password for router login. Ninth, configure Wi-Fi name password, customize your SSID and Wi-Fi password. 10th, finish setup, apply settings and restart if prompted. Thank you for watching.